Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys how I'm going to fix up this vase here that I got from my friend. Her name is Denise and she got this vase from a garage sale. She said she's paid $2 for it. Can you believe it, you guys? $2. And she asked me, she goes, I know you like to do bling. And she likes the bling too. So she asked me to just add my touch to it. So that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. Okay, so we have the vase here. $2, you guys, at a garage sale. Wow. And I'll be using this bling wrap here, the flower bling wrap. I call it flowers. It's really nice. Or I might use this one. One of the two. Or I might use both. And we have our scissors and our glue gun. Alright, everyone. Let's get started. Alright, everyone. We have our flower bling wrap here. And I'm going to I've cut it into long strips. And then I'm just going to use the hot glue and glue the strips down, you guys. From the top to the bottom, going straight down. Okay, like I said, I'm going straight down from the top to the bottom. But with a vase like this, I think you can also go around, like in the circle with it. If you have a vase like this, whatever way you choose to do it, I think both ways will work. Alright, you guys, as you can see, the way I chose to do it going around, it tends to come like a circle after a minute. But all you do is, when it happens like this, you just cut smaller strips and just keep going around till you fill up the circle that it formed. Yeah. And now I cut this strip to just go around the top. I was going to use the diamond bling wrap, but I decided to use the same flower wrap. It looks a little better. So that's what I'm doing, just going it all the way around the top. Here's our finished look, you guys. OMG, I think it looks so nice. It looks really nice, all blinged out. I love how the flower bling wrap looks. It gives it a nice elegant look. Oh, I love it. Absolutely beautiful. I'm sure my friend Denise is gonna like this. Tell me what you think. Do you like it now all blinged out? You can take things that you have at home, and add some material to it, and you get a totally different look, and it looks very nice to add something new to your home. Revamp, that's what we call it. Yeah. Alright, everyone. I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely DIY for you to do for your home. It's nice to revamp things, like I said. Take something simple and make it look nice. Alright, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed, press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone. Baby, watch your man out here.